Hi there. Welcome to my Excel tutorial channel. I hope you will find my Excel tutorial clip is helpful. Please feel free to click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Today, I am going to show you how to convert rows to columns in Excel via the Paste Special Transpose feature. In this Excel tip, we'll show you a quick and easy way to transpose a row to columns or vice versa. In simple terms, the transpose function changes your row's orientation to columns orientation. The transpose function is pretty versatile. For example, you can use the feature in Excel formulas or with paste options. However, there are some differences based on which method you use. Let's understand the working of Paste Special in Excel by some examples. Let's say you got a bunch of rows. You want them to be columns. Or vice versa. You would go nuts moving things cell by cell, and this is too much manual work. To transpose columns to rows, first highlight and copy the range which you want to transpose. Then, select an empty cell where you want the transposed version and paste special. Select the All Radio button under the Paste options. Check the Transpose box. Press the OK button. Now, the columns become rows, rows become columns. Voila! You have successfully transposed Paste Special function. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in my next clip.